Hello, Sobat Pundi, wherever you are. Is come back to me. I'm Donny. I will be sharing with you about the Trading View, how to use the Trading View. Trading View is a platform whereby you can do the technical analysis, so you can draw the chart and do the analysis. It's the same like uh, the the Focus platform, but this is the independent, and there are two portion. One is the paid version and the other one is a free version. So uh, for the basic technical analysis, you can use the free portion. Is minimalist, but it's just enough for you to do the basic technical analysis. I'm going to show you the trading view. This is the trading view. Let me check here. Yes. So basically, there's this when you see here is upgrade now 14 days free trial. Means that this is the free version. Uh, the default first default themes is the white. You can choose the dark one, which is like this. So as, as per your preference. So I'm going to use a dark color because I like the dark color. Then here you can launch the chart. Here you can see where what other people analyzing using this chart. And let me go here. So here is a market summary, and we can see the update on the each in all the indexes out there, like the S&P 500, Nasdaq 100, that Dow Jones 30, Russell 2000, etc. And what we're interested in is the chart here, and some we can use the screener. So there's a stock screener, forex screener, and crypto screener. So we're going to use a chart here. Okay. Yes. Okay, this is the first click away and click indicator. Okay, so basically when they start opening this trading view, you you can see the basic chart. Basically, this is a you can choose here whether it's a bar chart, candlestick chart, line chart, area chart, etc. So what we used to do or we going to do is we choose the candles, and then here we can see whichever symbols can be stock, future, forex, CFD, index, etc. So let's say we choose the apple. So click here apple. So then we can see the chart here, apples. Then here, since we using the free version, there will be a lot of advertisement here. So since free, I hope you don't mind. Just what you need to do is just close the pop-up uh, ads there. And from here, the bottom one will be the all the period of time. Maybe here. Period of time. uh, you can zoom in the nearest one, or you can zoom out by dragging your rolling over your mouse to the upper roll up or roll down your mouse to see to drag further backwards, miss all the way to 2019, early 2000, or maybe even 1980 since the IPO. Then on the right side, you can use the drag up and down to zoom in and zoom out the pricing, because this is up to the scales. Let's say it's a tenth or the hundred something. So because the app, especially for those companies that go the stock price exponentially like this, you need to be able to drag. You need, you have to drag up and down like this. And then here the period of time, let's say 3 months. So the last 3 months. Then this is 1 year, means from June last year, July last year to this July this year. And 5 years, year to date is from January, early of the year up to now. So this then there's all means that everything. You can do so by holding down your mouse, or you just select this one. So automatically it will be selected all the way to 1981. Of course, you need to see the zoom out the pricing on the y-axis in order for you to see the early days, means 1981, because it's the pricing is so low, it's like $1. So you need to zoom out from there. Okay, so here there's a stock screener, text node, pen editor. This is about you can go through lah. You can try your own. Then what we interested in is this indicator. Indicator is to put in all the indicators like simple SMA. Since this is a free account, so only up to 3 indicators that you can put here, like the simple moving average. So since it's simple moving average is one, since moving average is only each of this is one, so try then up to three, right? So you need to try one to at least for the simple moving average, at least you need to try three, because you save your quota of three. So when you double click here, you can choose one, or you just choose three. So here I choose three. It's 320, 50, and 100. Then after you can click here, modify the setting. Oh, is it a lot? Maybe we choose the wrong one. So click indicator here, simple. Because if let's say you put here simple moving average one by one, you wasting your quotas. Like say this one three, so 1, 2, 3 already finished. So what you can do is to choose indicator simple moving average. Select the triple or 3 or 4 simple average. So you can click here simple 3. So basically it's automatically selected for you 3, the default one, 50, 100, and 200. And you can modify with the here. So basically automatically this one will be pop up. So you just double click here. Then you can modify the color. This is the opacity. So you can zoom to put the 100% to be clearer. Then the thickness you can put higher to in order for you to for it to be seen. For the SMA2 is put the 100% also, then thicker, the thickness is thicker, and the blue one also. Same thing as for blue one. And then the input here is the length of the SMA. So we can use 20 for the short term, and mid-term 50, and long term is 200 days moving average. Okay, that's all for the simple moving average. Then what you other things is MACD and etc. So you can add on whichever you want here. So MACD up to up to three times 3 indicator. That's why you need to save indicator using the triple or 3 SMA. If not, you wasted. You need to choose 20. Then otherwise, SMA 50, SMA 200. This was first thing. The second thing is here you can see the period, whether this is a weekly chart or monthly chart or daily chart. So this is the daily. This is a daily chart. And let's say you want the shorter term is 4 hourly or minutes. If it 1 minute, of course, the 1 minute will be maybe very low movement. Because it's within 1 minute, you cannot move too high lah. So usually the default one is will be 1 day. Okay, that's all for this one. Then on here, right, this is for the courses for you to move around the chart. Here is to draw the trend line, parallel channel, horizontal line, mainly for the support and resistance. And for here is to draw the Fibonacci, or can draw the pitchfork also. Here is to do your own analysis using you can draw, let's say here you just draw like this, or you can predict it go up, something like that. Or maybe you can draw the rectangle to measure the height of certain period of certain candle, kind of this like this, the height of this. So at least you can for you to move around. This one especially for the Elliott wave 1 and wave 5. What you can do is you can delete if you say you don't want, or you can put the delete, reset or delete, remove drawing. Or if you say you want to remove the indicator, just click remove indicator. Okay, so text here is for you to type. Let's say here is a SMA 200, so you just put 200 SMA. And for usually I want to put the same color for the indicator here, so the SMA. So for people to know what kind of SMA is that. And then here is this is for Elliott wave. There's a Elliott wave, impulse wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and ABCDE and ABC, and also the other pattern. Then here is I don't use this one. Then this is to measure the the how much you save, or how much you lost, or how much you make. So you buy here, then you sell here. So this the bar. So when you buy here and sell here, you can have a 9% profit. Okay, I think there's also here is dark color teams, and then this is home. Then you can rename. Since this one's free, so you only have a one chance. For the paid version, you can have up to even 5 or 10 or 15, I think. I can't remember. And how to publish. So when you want to share with people through WhatsApp or any other platform, you just click take snapshot here. Then you can either copy over or save image. So you can copy this link and paste to your friends or colleagues. So when they click, they will automatically see this chart. Uh, if let's say you want to save into your PC or your laptop, you can save image. You can click save image here. So automatically there's a new Windows. So whereby you can click right click and save image as. Then you can share using the picture format. Okay, so I think that's all. What else? So let me go here. Yeah. So here there is, yeah, you can rename this Windows. Sorry, this chart. I think you cannot use a new chart because only your the free version is only one chart layout limit for this. So you cannot have a new chart. Then here you can have set alert or alarm. Then there is a news. So related to Apple, this news here. You just click here news headline, and my ideas, calendar. Yeah, and then notification. So you can set the notification. Yeah, I think that's all for the basics guidelines how to use this trading view. They use a good tools. So basically, if let's say you know how to program, you can click Flight Editor here. So from there, you can program whatever you want to do for the indicator, but just for those that able to do the programming. Yes, the pop-up advertisement is quite irritating sometimes, but we need to bear with it. I think that's all for me for this one. What else? Oh, anyway, you can do the fundamental analysis also using this one. Financial, financial here. So financial here, you can do income statement, the graph or balance sheet to understand how the current asset or cash flow here, and what is operating income, net profit, margin or net profit, etc. About the fundamental analysis. But usually we use this one for technical analysis. I think that's all for me. Thank you very much for listening to me. Thank you. Hope you understand or which benefiting you. You can learn more on this. If you say you have any question, feel free to ask me. Thank you.